Hey everyone, welcome back to Sangeeta's Kitchen Delights. I am Sangeeta, your host. Today I'll share with you Sunday special chicken curry. This chicken curry is an authentic Bengali recipe, and the specialty of this chicken curry, here we will add the potato, and which is the must added ingredient here. Actually, being a Bengali, we eat fish all the week, all the time, but Sunday is specially dedicated for the meat. And in Bengal, we add potato with the meat in this preparation. And usually, this preparation is enjoyed with a hot steamed rice with a piece of lemon. Now I will marinate the chicken. Here I have taken 1 kilo of washed and cleaned chicken which is skinless but on the bone. For the marination I am adding minced ginger garlic and some dry spices like turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, hot red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. And last but not the least, salt as per our taste. Adding raw mustard oil, and then I will marinate chicken with these spices. This chicken can be kept as marinated from 2 or 2 overnight, obviously under refrigeration. Today I will keep this chicken for 2 hours only as I have to shoot rest of the video, but you can keep overnight also. Now I am adding mustard oil in a deep karai and let it heat. Now I am adding garam masala which we have crushed, adding whole cumin seed around half teaspoon and 2 bay leaf and 1 red dry chili. Adding finely chopped onion and let it fry in medium to high heat. I am adding little bit of sugar and salt in the onion. Salt will help to cook faster and sugar will give the onion a nice caramelization effect which give a nice color to the curry. After frying the onion, I am adding potato and will allow to fry few more minutes in medium to high heat. And I am adding pinch of red chili powder and pinch of turmeric powder. Here I should mention one thing. Traditionally, potato is fried in deep oil and then goes into the chicken curry. But I usually skip that step. Normally, I fry the potato like this with the onion to consume less oil. Adding tomato puree which we have made earlier. Notice chicken has started to release the juice and now I will just cover it and let it cook in medium heat. Just in the meanwhile we have to have a look and just stir from the bottom so that it doesn't stick from bottom. As it is not a dry curry preparation, it has to be little bit runny. I am adding required amount of water and the water should be hot. And lastly, I am adjusting the salt, added slitted green chili and Bengali garam masala near about half teaspoon. Bengali garam masala recipe is already in my channel. In case if you want to check, I will leave the link in the description box. Now just bring it a boil. Now at the end, I am adding chopped coriander leaves and then turn off the heat and just cover it and give it a rest time for around 5 to 10 minutes and then it will be ready for the serving. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family and leave your valuable comment in the comment section. If you still have not subscribed my channel, I will request you to subscribe my channel and please press the bell button so that when I will upload the video, you will get a notification and it's completely free. I will be back with a new video in very soon. Till then, take care and bye.